Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to put an image on text using PDF element. This is my PDF file. Now I'll put this image on this text. First select edit option. Now select edit image and click on this image and move it. As image now put on this top, and if you click right button and select Z order, you can make it send back and this send back and select it front, and this way you can put your image on front. And same way I'll insert this image within front and now put this image and see this image now front. If you select send back and see this, I'll put this image from this text and see this. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.